Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later. The ankle rock exercise is all about discovering the rocker of your blade. Now, we have 3 zones in a figure skate, and it's slightly different for hockey skaters. So let's talk about the figure skates first. We're going to be looking at the fact that at the front of our blade we have the toe pick, and right down at the front, if you rock forwards on your skate, the bottom tooth of the toe pick will just nibble the floor. That's a very important point to know about. That is your final warning that you're going too far forwards on your skate if you're skating forwards.
So let's start. Hands on the wall, feet parallel, slightly bent knees and ankles. Imagine you are typing with your feet. Apply pressure towards your toes to type a letter on a keyboard. Now we're in the front of our blade rocker. The heel of our blade will be lifted clear of the ice. You can test if your heels have cleared the ice by gently swiveling on the balls of your feet. If you've reached the right area of the blade, you should hear and feel a little noise from under the front of your blade, but no noise or friction resistance from the back of the blade. On figure skates, it is possible to rock too far and dig in the toe pick. This area is used for specific tricks, but is not wanted yet.
Our most common area that we spend a lot of time gliding on is our mid-rocker area. That's our ideal gliding spot for our forward skating, especially as beginners, and eventually when we're more advanced, when we're skating backwards also. An area to be cautious of for figures or hockey skates is the back area of the skate, because there is no warning before we are into a void where there is no support whatsoever. So it's terribly important to realize if your center of your body gets behind the heel of your skates are going to slip and slide out away from underneath you. So always, our safest balance point is bended knees and the body center over the middle area of your skates. Okay, so we've looked at our rocker exercise by the barrier, rocking forwards, and then feeling the flex in the feet as we pull back. You'll feel your toes lift up in your skates and touch the roof of your boot. All right, but we don't want to go any further than that. And notice that we always keep some bend in the knees as we're doing this. The bend in the knees is our forgiveness. If we make any small errors of judgment, having some angle in the knees can really help us to prevent ourselves from going directly wherever we're going, directly forwards or directly backwards. If we're on straight legs, we're very vulnerable. So we keep a little bend in the knees as we explore by the barrier, our rocker, rocking toe to heel. Now in hockey skates, you will have seen
a curved shape at either end of the blade and a flatter central zone. So as you rock gently between toe and heel zones, start with small movements. Overreaching can make the blade slip away suddenly. The twist test in hockey skates will result in some noise and snow, as you'll need to be in the middle zone of your blade. You can see in this close-up how the snow is collecting around the blades.